Salcedo people! Buenas tardes, gracias a Dios, gracias a ustedes, gracias a la vida. Thank you so much for being here, everyone who are here to celebrate with us the momentous accomplishment that we have created all over the community in collaboration with our local elected officials, the Board of Supervisors. My name is Bamby Salcedo, and I do have the privilege to be the president and the CEO of the TransLatin Coalition, which is now the largest translate organization in the United States. We were very privileged that we were able to present the results of a county-wide survey, not just highlighting LGBTQ people and their needs and issues, but specifically the work that we did in collaboration with the Williams Institute to release the report of the quality of life of transgender and non-conforming intersex people, called para mis propias palabras, or in my own words. And I want to acknowledge Jody Herman, who is one of the researchers and my co-project investigators, for being here and for leading the work in this important statistics, right, that need to happen in order for our elected officials to know who we are as people, what our needs are, and how we can address those needs, and most importantly, how do we invest in the livelihood of transgender, non-conforming, and intersex people that live in Los Angeles County. It's important for us to understand that transgender, non-conforming, and intersex people are part of the population of the county. We are part of the diversity of Los Angeles County, and we must make sure that our needs, issues, aspirations, and future are highlighted the way they should. And so we're really grateful to all of you for being here. We're really grateful to members of our community and the different organizations that are represented here. And so at this point, I want to invite Ms. Terri J to honor the land where we're standing on today, but also to give us a couple of remarks, please.
Thank you, Bamby. My name is Terri J. I am a member of the Navajo and Zuni tribe, and I'm honored to do the land of acknowledgement. This is a moment of silence to recognize and to acknowledge the Yavitam, the first people of this ancestral and unceded territory from the Tongva village of Yangna, known as downtown Los Angeles, as we stand upon. The greater Tongva region, which contains much of the current city of Los Angeles and contains hundreds of independent Tongva villages, was called Tuvangnar, or the first people of this land. We pay our deepest respects to their elders, past, present, and future. Please take a moment to consider the land and water we live upon, and the many legacies of once vibrant communities stripped of their freedoms and cultural traditions. Today they call themselves Gabrielino, Tongva, the Tataviam, and Chumash. We recognize that the Yavitam are still here, and we are committed to lifting up their stories, culture, lifeways, and honoring their land, ocean, and sacred spaces. Aka. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Terri. Really appreciate you. We had Dr. Ferrer to come and give us some words, but unfortunately she's still doing presentations inside, so hopefully when we're done with this, she's able to come and address all of us. But at this time, I would like to invite Queen Victoria Ortega to provide some remarks, who's also one of the collaborators in this important research study. So, what's the thing?
Primeramente le quiero dar gracias a toda la comunidad que está aquí enseñando el poder de la comunidad trans. First of all, I want to acknowledge the community that's here showing the power of the trans community. We are in Pride Month, and we are following in the footsteps of our ancestors, Marsha P. Johnson and Sylvia Rivera. They did not die in vain. Their legacy continues with us, and we fight on. We're asking that legislators, especially the Board of Supervisors, who are in charge of our budget for LA County, to make an investment in trans lives. That is what makes a difference. We no longer need commendations and papers that we can hang on our wall talking about pride. Talk is cheap. Money and resources and investing in trans lives is what's going to make a difference. So that's what we're here for today, to make sure that we also present the real picture from community, by community, community participatory research with the Williams Institute and TransLatin Coalition and the community at large. That through that process, we can actually draw a picture of what's going on with Los Angelinos, citizens of this community and this county that are accessing services and that are paying into the tax system, that deserve dignified care and access to all systems within the county. So thank you again to the community showing up and the nonprofit organizations that have coalesced around the leadership of TransLatin Coalition. And I would be remiss in saying that thank you, Bamby, for bringing us together. And I think that that's one of the things that is super important about the work that you do. And that in this Pride Month, we're proud of the work that you do collectively with us. You don't leave us behind. And that's what we're asking the county. No one must be left behind, especially trans and non-binary citizens of this county. Thank you very much.
Yes. Thank you so much, Queen Victoria. At this point, I would like to invite Queen Shannon Gibson from the Unique Women's Coalition to also address all of us.
Yay! Yes! So I always want to start out by thanking you, Bamby, for your selflessness and just being dedicated to this work. As Queen Victoria said, a lot of times it's hard to get community activated. So to be able to bring community together, to make noise, to make a statement, because we want our fucking money. Yay! We want our money. We deserve our money. Yes. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
You wanna say something? I know you're also part of the Unique Women's Coalition, right? Come.
Everybody know Bamby is awesome, right?
Yes!
Bamby can dress too, right?
Yes!
Actually, my name is Sunny Like the Sun. I'm actually the TGI Navigator of Unique Women's Coalition. Unique Women's Coalition was founded in 1997. That is the oldest, longest Black-led trans organization in Southern California, created by our own Queen Shayla.
Yeah!
Queen Shayla and Queen. Actually, we have 5 different queens that actually came together in Los Angeles to be able to create what we have. Now, I am a trans man saying that now it's our legacy to be able to dominate and to be able to take care of our women. Our women have taken care of us. Now, let us show up and let us stand up and let us settle. We are not different. We are all the same. We are all mammals, and we are all asking for the same rights.
That's right.
Okay? So I just look at everybody here, and I want everybody to say that we are equal.
We are equal!
Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you, Bamby.
Woo! Thank you, Sonny.
Thank you. I now would like to invite Veronica who is the program manager for St. John's Well Child
Veronica.
Transgender program.
Yes.
All right, Veronica.
First of all, let me go ahead and just take this moment to give back to Bamby. I didn't have the time to do this inside. I want to pay my respects to you for providing me with an opportunity and the stepping stones to build my home here in Los Angeles. So thank you. I'm going to go ahead and finish what I was, I don't want to say rudely cut off with inside, but I will finish what I was going to say inside, okay?
All right.
So today I stand before you, a proud and resilient transgender Latina, to address a matter of profound importance and urgent necessity. The institution of trans wellness and equity care in Los Angeles County, as we gather here, we are presented with an opportunity to take a decisive step towards justice, inclusivity, and the well-being of some of our most vulnerable community members. In recent years, the conversation around transgender rights, healthcare has gained significant momentum. However, despite these advances, transgender individuals continue to face disproportionate barriers in accessing quality healthcare. Discrimination, lack of knowledgeable healthcare providers, and systemic inequities create an environment where the health and well-being of transgender people are compromised daily. In Los Angeles County, a place known for its diversity and progressive values, and our moral duty to ensure that every resident has access to comprehensive and equitable health care, the establishment of the Trans Wellness and Equity Care is not just a healthcare initiative, it is a commitment to human dignity, equality, and justice.
Commitment.
Transgender individuals often encounter unique healthcare needs, ranging from hormonal replacement therapy and gender-affirming surgeries to the mental health support and routine medical checkups. Yet many healthcare providers lack that training and resources to offer competent and compassionate care to the community. This gap leads to the avoidable healthcare disparities, including higher rates in mental health issues, substance abuse issues, and suicide among our transgender individuals. Instituting trans wellness and equity care in the Los Angeles County will address these gaps by providing specialized training for healthcare individual providers, ensuring access to gender-affirming care, and fostering an environment where transgender individuals feel safe and respected. This initiative will also include community outreach programs to educate the public, to reduce stigma, to fostering a more inclusive society. Moreover, by investing in our health care and well-being of transgender individuals, we are investing in the health care of our entire community. When everyone has access to the care that is needed, we build a healthier and more resilient society. The ripple effects of such an initiative extend beyond the individual, benefiting families, workplaces, and communities at large. It is crucial to recognize the health equity is not a privilege, but it's a fundamental human right. The disparities faced by transgender individuals are not inherent, but are the result of systemic neglect and discrimination. By instituting trans wellness and equity care, we take a stand against the injustice and move towards a future where every person, regardless of their gender expression or identity, has the opportunity to thrive. In conclusion, the establishment of trans wellness and equity care in Los Angeles County, it is a vital step towards achieving true equality and justice, and reflects our commitment to upholding the dignity and worth of every individual, and sets a precedent for other regions to follow. Let us seize this moment to create a lasting change and to ensure that our healthcare system is truly inclusive, equitable, and most of all, compassionate. Thank you so much.
Yay! That's right.
Ahora voy a decir unas cuantas palabras en español, pero lo voy a decir primero que nada para todas las personas que son parte de la coalición translatina, que están aquí presentes, independientemente de el sol y todo lo que está pasando. Así que quiero pedirles por favor un aplauso y quiero darles todo mi agradecimiento por apoyar los esfuerzos de la coalición, pero también quiero hacerles saber que es importante que sigamos manteniéndonos involucradas, involucrados en involucrades, ¿verdad? En nuestras propias vidas. Tenemos que seguir viniendo a este tipo de situaciones porque es así que las personas que prácticamente dictan cómo es que nosotros vivimos nuestras vidas, nos van a escuchar y van a invertir en nuestras vidas. Así que yo les invito para que sigan luchando, para que sigan empujando, ¿verdad? Por lo que son nuestros derechos. Y merecemos vivir con dignidad y merecemos recibir los servicios que necesitamos, porque es su responsabilidad de ellos. Así que gracias por estar aquí y gracias a los medios de comunicación y a todas las personas que nos acompañan hoy en día. Hoy en día estamos lanzando este reporte que es el primero en la historia de Los Ángeles que está haciendo hincapié a las necesidades de la comunidad trans que vive aquí en Los Ángeles. Y nosotras como personas trans ya sabemos cuáles son nuestras necesidades, cuáles son nuestros retos que vivimos al día a día, pero el hecho que tengamos información que dice específicamente cuáles son nuestras necesidades, cuáles son nuestras aspiraciones y cuáles son las cosas que las personas que son los que dirigen las leyes aquí en el condado y que prácticamente invierten en las vidas de nuestras comunidades, sepan cuáles son nuestras realidades y que inviertan en cuáles son nuestras necesidades. Porque no es justo que sigamos siendo las personas más pobres dentro de la sociedad. No es justo que sigamos teniendo la negación a recibir los accesos de cuidado de salud, que no tengamos empleos, que no tengamos acceso a la educación, que no tengamos acceso a la comida. Las necesidades básicas que necesitamos tienen que ser enmendadas y tienen que invertirse en nuestras vidas. Así que nuevamente quiero dar gracias a todas las personas que se encuentran, gracias a las personas de las otras organizaciones. Thank you so much to all the other organizations who are part of this effort, like the Unique Women's Coalition, Gender Justice LA, Trans Can Work, Flux, and the County Norman Empowerment Center, and all of the community members who are here, who testified in front of the Board of Supervisors. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Y vamos a seguir luchando, vamos a seguir haciendo ruido. Let's continue to make sure that they hear us and they understand what we need, and that they invest in our lives, most importantly. So, thank you again so much. Gracias a todas las personas. Cuídense mucho y vamos a darle duro. Down. When we fight, we win. 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 Así mero.